Our family-owned and operated company has been serving the area since 1991. We're here to handle all of your plumbing needs, no matter how big or small the job. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff will work with you to set up an appointment that works for your schedule. Our technicians will give you a call before arriving at your home. With a fully stocked truck, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing all our work will be done in a timely manner without the added back and forth for parts. As well as being professionally trained, clean, and courteous, our technicians are all background checked and drug screened, so you'll be comfortable knowing what type of person is entering your home. While in your home, our techs will assess your needs and advise you on possible repairs or replacements necessary to remedy your problem.
From our family to yours, thank you for your business.